Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine. Today, I welcome you all in your virtual classroom for your first e-lesson of mathematics. I hope together we will learn and enjoy the lesson. Are you ready? Topics for today's lesson are Introduction of number 1, Oral counting of numbers 1 till 10. Objectives of the lesson are students will be able to recognize number 1, relate quantity with the number, identify number 1 and recognize its formation, trace and write number 1 while following the teacher's directions. Count numbers 1 till 10 in sequence orally. This is number 1. Number 1 looks like a straight vertical line. Now let's learn more about number 1.
One apple, one tree, one tiny little buzzing bee, one table, one chair, one monkey jumping over there, one candle, one flame, one smiley happy dancing dame, one farmer, one book, one very hungry sitting duck, one chicken, one sheep, one frog getting ready to leap. Look at all these numbers falling from the sky. Let's find them together, looking low and high. One apple, one tree, one tiny little buzzing bee, one table, one chair, one monkey jumping over there, one candle, one flame, one smiley happy dancing dame, one farmer, one book, one very hungry sitting duck, one chicken, one sheep, one frog getting ready to leap. The number 1 is special, we can use it every day. So come back soon and sing with us, we're always here to play.
Did you enjoy the video? Okay children, let me show you something. What is this? Yes, you are right, it is a ball. How many balls you can see in the picture? Correct, 1. We can see 1 ball. Numbers also tell us about the quantity. For example, 1 sun, 1 candle. Bravo! Now you can relate number 1 with quantity.
Number one, oh yeah!
Now let's learn how to trace number 1. Start from up and come down, down and stop. Start from up and come down, down and stop. Start from up and come down, down and stop. Very good. Now I hope you all can write number 1 very easily.
Number 1 is so much fun.
Number one is so much fun.
Pull straight down and you've got a 1.
Pull straight down and you've got a one.
My dear students, now we will do some writing practice of number 1 on our green boards. Do you have your green board with you? Good. Take out your green board and chalk and write number 1 as many times as you can. You know, practice makes us perfect. I am happy that you all have practiced number 1 on your green boards. Now we have to write number 1 on our workbook and copy. But before we start our work, let's learn how we have to do the written work. Recite Tasmiya before starting the work. Write date and day. Trace hollow numbers with different colors. Trace or write number 1 with lead pencil or crayon. Write number 1 with correct number formation. Color the pictures. Open up your smart number workbook. Today we will do page number 1 and 2. Write in hollow number 1 while following the starting point. Write it with different colors for practice. Trace dotted number 1. Then write number 1 with the help of starting points. I am sure you all can write number 1 without any help. Very well done, my dear students. Now we have to write number 1 in our math copy. I am sure you all will do your written work neatly with the correct formation of number 1. Let's learn to count numbers 1 till 10 in sequence. Together we will watch the video and learn the counting. Numbers 1 till 10 daily. Today we have learned many things. I am sure my students will be able to recognize number 1, relate quantity with the number, identify number 1 and recognize its formation, orally count numbers 1 till 10 in sequence. See you in the next class. Have a good day. Try to practice your counting.